BenQ LU935 WUXGA Laser DLP Projector Review. 6,000 lumens that transform bright rooms. You dim the lights, close the blinds, and still the slide looks washed out. I once watched a presenter apologize to a room full of clients because charts were barely readable in daylight. It's uncomfortable. You invest in content, then the projector lets you down. Ever had that moment where the room feels brighter than your screen? When brightness falls short, meetings drag. People squint, energy drops. That faint gray haze over blacks makes everything look flat and uninspiring. I've seen teams lose momentum simply because visuals lacked punch. It's frustrating and avoidable. There's a calmer way to present with confidence, even in rooms where you can't control every light source. Then I discovered the BenQ LU935 WUXGA Laser DLP Projector. Don't just grab any laser projector, make sure it has true high ANSI brightness and flexible lens shift so you never deal with washed out presentations in bright rooms again. With 6,000 ANSI lumens and WUXGA 1200 by 1200 resolution, it delivers sharp text and extra vertical space for spreadsheets and dashboards. The blue core laser light source offers up to 20,000 hours of use, so you're not planning lamp replacements. IP5X dustproof design keeps the image consistent over time. Add 1.6 times zoom, vertical and horizontal lens shift, 360-degree projection and corner fit, and installation becomes far less stressful. A corporate AV manager told me he was minutes from moving ceiling mounts during a retrofit, but the LU935's generous lens shift aligned the image perfectly without re-drilling. Oh, that's relief. HDMI 2.0, HD-Base-T, LAN, and RS-232 make integration smooth. You even get portrait and simulator-ready flexibility, which quietly expands its role beyond standard boardrooms. And long-term, that versatility matters. Once installed, the shift is obvious. Bright visuals mean fewer interruptions. Fewer interruptions mean stronger engagement. Stronger engagement leads to clearer decisions. Industry reviewers highlight the 6,000 lumen output and note that images stay crisp even in well-lit conference spaces. Analysts praise the IP5X sealed laser engine for reducing maintenance and protecting long-term performance. One golf simulator influencer described the colors as popping with impressive realism, while a verified business customer rated the unit highly for reliability in daily use. Some hesitate because it isn't a compact portable model. That's true. It's built for fixed installations where stability, brightness, and longevity matter more than travel size. With a 3 million to 1 dynamic contrast ratio and 92% Rec. 709 color coverage, graphics and video maintain depth instead of fading into gray. Instant on and off eliminates awkward warm-up delays before meetings. Imagine walking into a room, pressing power, and starting immediately. That consistency builds trust in your setup. Over time, it becomes less about specs and more about dependability. If your space demands brightness and flexibility, this model earns serious consideration. Always review official documentation to confirm compatibility for your specific environment. If you're aiming for brighter presentations, cleaner installs, and long-term reliability, the BenQ LU935 WUXGA Laser DLP Projector deserves a close look. It's already trusted in boardrooms, classrooms, and simulator spaces where clarity truly matters. Results may vary depending on room size and lighting conditions. You'll find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment, along with full disclosure. Take a moment to explore its features and see how it could elevate your space starting today. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.